The Dham is Vishesh Kshetra. It's a Dham. It's not a Karma Kshetra. There's 7 cities of liberation. Just Tirtha, there's 7 Tirthas in Bharat Bhumi where you get liberation. But the Navadvip Dham, Jagannath Puri Dham, the Vrindavan Dham, you get prema. It says in Tura Mahatmya, quoting the Puranas, Shrupa Goswami Pak, cool, open those doors.
Open.
Yeah, it's too hot in here. He says, Rupa Goswami says in Mathura Mahatmyam that, he says, if you just spend one day in Mathura Mandala, you get Hari Bhakti. Hari Bhakti means Baba. Bhakti becomes Bhav, Bhav becomes Prem. But the 7 cities of Bharat, where you may visit there, or if you die there, you get liberation. That's Vaikuntha Mukti. Maybe Mahavaikuntha, depends on your sanskara. Mahavaikuntha, or maybe even Swarga if you're always in that mentality. Ayodhya Dham, Dwarka Dham, Haridwar Dham, Vishnukanchi, Rameshwaram maybe. I forget, there's Benares maybe. I forget, there's 7. So not to be confused with Char Dham. It's a different thing. Sure, some of them are Char Dham. Char Dham means Badrinath, north, south is Rameshwaram, Jagannath Puri, and Dwarka.